Dear students, this is Dev's Academy. We are studying CBSC and now conditions for solvability of linear equations in two variables. Actually, this type of linear equations are known as simultaneous equation. It has got two variables like as x and y. The frame of simultaneous pairs of linear equation in two variables equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. The first one is known as equation number 1 and the second one is known as equation number 2. A1 is the coefficient of x in equation 1, b1 is the coefficient of y in equation 1 and C1 is a constant term in the first equation and A2 is the coefficient of x in second equation, B2 is the coefficient of y in the second equation and C2 is a constant term for the second equation. Remember this thing, what are A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2, because here these are very important things. Today we will discuss the conditions for solvability. So you have to regard the coefficients and the constant term very carefully. Now graphical method, first one, graphical method. Graphical method, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then graph will represent two intersecting lines, that is point of intersection, that is P, is solution of the system. Number B, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then the graph will represent two parallel lines. System has no common solution, remember. And C, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then graph will represent two coinciding lines. System has infinitely many solutions. Dear students, if you understand this 1, 2, 3, this A, B, C correctly, then you can very easily solve the questions yourself. So go through this, and if you have got any problem to understand this, you can put it in my comment box. I will answer you and I will try my best to make you understand and realize. And the second one is graphical method. Graphical method, number one is if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then system has a unique solution and is known as consistent. Consistent, a pair of equation. It is consistent means consistent pair of equation. Number two, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then system has no solution and is known as inconsistent pair of equation. Inconsistent, it is at a time, it is known as inconsistent term. Inconsistent is at a time, we will pronounce it at a time, inconsistent. Inconsistent pair of equation. And if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then system has infinitely many solutions and is known as dependent consistent pair of equations, coincident. And the solution of x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. By this you can very easily calculate the value of x, and y equal to c1 by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 with the values of a1 b1 c1 etc. and a2 b2 c2. You can find out the value of x and y. Now in this table you will be able to understand the conditions very nicely, because it has been discussed with examples. This is solution serial number 1 and pair of line simultaneous equation. It is 1, 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Here a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to minus 2 by minus 4. It will be minus 4, and c1 by c2 equal to 0 by minus 2. It is seen here that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 here in the first serial number first, that is intersecting lines and consistent pair of equation. Take care to understand these things, and algebraic interpretation will be like that. Exactly one solution, that is unique solution. This unique solution, exactly one solution. Number 2, one example is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4, b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 6 and c1 by c2 equal to minus 9 by minus 18. That is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. According to this one c1, it is the relation will be like graphical representation will be coincident lines and inconsistent pair of equation, and algebraic interpretation will be infinitely many solution. It is number 3, example number 3, that is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equal to 2 by 4 and c1 by c2 equal to minus 4 by minus 12. So it is here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. If you calculate this, you will get it. So these are parallel lines and dependent consistent pair of equation in graphical solution or representation. And in algebraic interpretation it will be no solution. That means no common solution you will get here. One illustration is there. For what value of k does the system of equation kx plus 2y equal to 5 and 3x minus 4y equal to 10 have? Question 1, a unique solution. Question 2, no solution. Here the first equation is kx plus 2y equal to 5. That is kx plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is number 1. And 3x minus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. This is number 2. Equation number 2. This is not 1. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Therefore, from the first equation first and second equation we are getting that a1 by a2 equal to k by 3 and b1 by b2 equal to 2 by minus 4 and c1 by c2 equal to minus 5 by minus 10. This is the first question is a unique solution. When it is unique solution, that is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, that is k by 3 not equal to 2 by minus 4, therefore k equal to minus 3 by 2. So when k equal to minus 3 by 2, there will be unique solution. And second one, no solution. When no solution, it will be a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. No solution. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. So it will k by 3 equal to 2 by minus 4. Here k will be minus 3 by 2. That is, if k equal to k not equal to minus 3 by 2, then it will have unique solution. But if k equal to minus 3 by 2, the equations will have no solution. I will give you more illustrations from the next classes. Try to follow my classes and try to observe this very carefully. And if you can't understand these things, you will give your problems in my comment box. Thank you. This much today. That's all.